Hello, I'm Nige.
And I'm Anders. Welcome to our extraordinary beer channel.
And this is the Cheeky Extra. We've just finished filming a couple of black IPA reviews, which were exceptional. And we felt we just needed one extra beer. And
just to wind down.
yeah.
Yeah, honestly, those two black IPAs were excellent. But we're moving on. Nige, what you got?
Well, make mine a double. That's what I've got. By Twisted Wheel Brewery. I have no idea what they're like. I just bought it thinking it was another brewery to start with, because there's a brewery near us called Fixed Wheel. I thought, oh, wheel, and I bought it, and it wasn't. £5.50 I paid for that can. Luckily, the wife doesn't watch this channel, so I'm all right.
I sincerely hope she likes it, though.
No, I'll get into trouble.
No, but she doesn't have to watch it, but like it. And
oh yeah, she does all that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fair. Yeah. I've got Phantom Bride from Belching Bever.
Oh,
yeah!
How exciting!
I know nothing.
What is it?
I was sold by the artwork.
That goes back to your heavy metal days, doesn't it? Album covers. You bought albums based on their covers.
It did, yes. Oh, that looks good. There's death on the front. I'll have that.
I bought that one not because of the jazzy can. It's because what's the double IPA, which is always not bad, but it's 8.5% on the Richter scale.
Oh, is it really? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going 7.1 on this.
Oh, so we're both top end.
Top end, yeah. building. That's what I say.
Anyway, can we get them into the glass? And
let's do that. Come on.
I'll put beer can on for my one.
Yeah.
Wow. The fruitiness in this, when I was pouring it, the tropical fruit aroma was just filling the kitchen.
Now, you see, I haven't got that, but I've got a really beautiful looking pale ale there.
Wow. Mine's
yours is New England pale.
It looks like that, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, hello.
Well, I'm going. I can't wait. Sorry.
You go. I'm teasing myself at this moment with the aroma, which I think is beautiful. This aroma is fruity. It's light, citrusy. Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
This is I must say, this does not taste like an 8.5% beer. It's phenomenal. There's no syrupiness. There's no sweetness. It's very light, which is just. This is an incredibly dangerous beer.
Do you know what this one? I'll come back to you in a sec.
My word.
Actually,
this tastes like a New England IPA. It's not got huge bitterness to it, but it's been, the hops in this have gone up to 11. It's just been, but it's not usual hops. What the hops are. Laurel and Ergon. Don't know what they are. 'Not. 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 '
This beer,
Not the ones I usually find on beers, but
this does taste strong in alcohol. It's not disguised.
you know, if someone gave me this at barbecue and you sat outside and I'll have that nice, yeah, I'd sink this thinking it was a 4 or 5% beer. And then, oh, I'll have another one. And then I get into trouble and the wife would be bundling with the cars and you always disgrace yourself.
Do you know what, this is strong at 7.1%. It does feel like 7.1%, but it's got a lot of flavour as well. There's a big orange finish on this. Orange, satsuma, tangerine, who knows? One of the two, three.
But I can't believe this is 8.5%. Yeah, it is like, it's just phenomenal. This is an exceptionally well brewed beer.
Yeah, and this one is. There's a lot of stuff going on. It's very. You don't get the pine thing, do you? But I'm getting lots of pine in this. I'm getting lots of
The taste of Christmas tree.
pineapple. No, because it's offset by the stuff, right? So, bit of pine, bit of peach, bit of grapefruit, but more than anything else, mango, I would say. Okay, we've had a slight break. We've realised that we're going to have to finish this quite soon because, well, Nigel's having issues.
Yeah, I'm just describing this beer's hit me like an anvil. It's just, although the alcohol's hidden, it's hitting home.
It is.
But anyway,
in the words of Queensryche, of course, it's hit you like a 2-ton heavy thing.
it has.
Yeah.
Nice link to the music because Anders has got his show and tell time.
Show and tell time. This is the album.
I didn't guess what this was, but I guessed it would probably be some prog rock.
Yeah. And as Nigel says, prog rock is shit. It's not. The most amazing thing about this album.
This is impressive. You'll like this, viewers. Yeah. You'll like this.
Is that?
Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah. If you want any more from that album, I'm sorry, you're not going to get much. That is an album called 12th Night by a band called 12th Night.
But it's an impressive album. That's what I love, the double albums.
Honestly, I don't think. I'm only talking from my point of view, but when you buy an album, I mean, you and I were around when albums were kind of superseded by CDs.
Yeah.
An album was always much more of an experience than a CD.
Oh, without a doubt.
CD, you kind of got plastic opening, open it up, pull this little small thing out, and then you kind of flick through each page.
It's funny because the CD thing, you might have had more information because there might be more pages in the booklet or something, but it's just that physicality of that opening up the album, double album sleeve, or just the reverse. It's just more, the artwork was bigger. It's just,
And it is, again, you've got a front cover, you've got a back cover, and probably if you open up that gatefolder, you've got a story between the back and the front. You've probably got a story on the front, inside, front and back.
When it was just a single album or a double album, you pull out the record sleeve. Sometimes it would just blank, but sometimes you'd have an inner sleeve with all the lyrics written on it. That was always a bonus. Because you had an extra bit to read, all those things. Yeah.
All those things. And because it was not miniature, it wasn't a miniature font. go through and you'd look at the lyrics, you'd look at who produced, you'd look at who engineered, you'd look at the studios that it was recorded at, and it all meant something.
But I remember listening to the albums that got you put the album on and you sit reading and looking at the artwork of the album for the duration of the album.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so the artwork became part of the experience. Ugh. Sorry, that's live.
I say again, you're 8 point how much percent?
8.5.
Yeah, 8.5%.
Oh, right, I'm fishing because the 8.5 has creeped up upon me.
It has delayed you.
The anvil's just repeatedly hit me. And I think I want to get to bed.
So it's been an interesting one, but I think we ought to draw this to a close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to down this.
So to conclude with your beer, what do you say? Would you buy that again?
No. I feel awful because they're a small brewery, but it's just not nice. It's a brewery that is knocking out 7.1% beer. It tastes stronger, and it shouldn't do. Quality beers at a higher ABV don't taste like that.
Yeah.
So
I would get this again. It'd have to be a stealth purchase, so the wife didn't know about it. But I shall definitely buy you one of these Anders and bring it down.
Where did you buy that from?
The bottle shop in Malvern.
No, the bottle shop. Okay.
But I'm so impressed with this. If you see that, buy it.
Yeah. Despite the retro, yeah. Okay.
Brilliant beer. Anyway.
Off we go, people. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.